Hey my friends, I welcome you back again to this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Now in this video today, I think you can see it's a rain effect website. I've just hosted it right now for practice and for training. Actually our students, I mean your friends, I mean our colleagues who are with us here at OSP Training Center. Now this video actually is made by OSP Pro. If at all you happen not yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, it's just around here, pop up, you can see. Please just click on that button, okay? Just click on that button and subscribe. I have other more videos, and I have maybe I can say over the sample number of videos that I have here, list of videos that actually I have. So if you go to videos, I really have some good numbers of videos. Then on the other way around, I'm just from hosting this website inside a panel called 00 Web Host Hub. I think you can just see I still have the site with me up online. We can even create up a new panel, a new file, which you can also transfer some of these stuffs to a new file. Just click on, let's say, if at all you want to create a new, you can actually create a new file, which I'm going to just create a new file. So in simple time, before I create anything, this is a rain effect website, like you can see, and when you scroll, it has other more features on it, just like you have seen, or just like you're seeing. It has other more features on it. I don't know if you have ever seen this kind of site. I know you have ever seen some people making this kind of documentations. This is a nice kind of logo that I happen to come up with. A simple design. It's just sitting up on the side. And then if you try to cross check down here on the site, we have down the stuff. It's just standing on the site, and it's transparent to some extent. But when you come on here on hover, I think you can see. So this is a rain site. We have other things that we're going to be doing with you guys together. Maybe before I proceed, I'm just going to click on this video here. I right click here and I launch. It will just direct me straight to the YouTube channel, which I'll be in a position to line up the videos. You get? So I think you can see. I just want to click on here. It pops up into this page, which this page directs us straight to our YouTube channel, which you guys will be in position to learn the videos. So on the other way around, still as I'm made based on this stuff, OSP iDicto solution in combination with OSP Pro, we do provide cool, simple, nice, unique website per year. Now this is what I have to let you guys know. Based on this kind of site with site effect, we can come up with this effect from JavaScript to come up with this, or just from a CSS, from just a CSS. We can also come up with the same effect. It may not necessarily be that effect, but we can apply other more effect on it. We'd also look on another effect that when it reaches down here, if at all this beautiful lady if I happen to come back down here and then the rain reaches down, it can splash back and goes back up. Then on the other way around also, if you try to see on the scroll, there's another scroll up effect. And I think you can see as I scroll up, it yes opposes the motion, but it does not stop the scrolling of the rain or the flowing of the rain. So the rain continues flowing, just like you can see. OSP simple code site. Then I also happen to host up this website for free. So remember, this month is for free. I mean free website development at OSP. My friend, I wish you guys came in for this month for this free offer. But if you did happen to get this chance to learn how to make up a website with us, my friend, better next time. Better next time. So don't forget also next month we shall also have another offer. If you find this video interesting, tell us the offer that you would like us to provide for you next month. Tell us an offer. Tell us what you'd like us to come up with you guys next month at OSP iDicto Solutions. And make sure you come and attend that offer. So the majority, we shall take the majority guys who's going to comment down on our Facebook page at OSP iDicto Solutions page, or on this very video link, and happen to comment down on this video. Then the majority happen to comment down on the offer they want, is what we are going to just give you next time. I mean next month or November. So guys, for this video, I'm not going to first take you much onto the how I hosted up this site. I'm just going to give you a link below on how I happened to host my previous site on a 00 web host app for free. Then these guys actually who are with us, the people who are with us right now at OSP, we are studying actually this site development with them. They happen to get up all in full with us. So you guys, if you find this video interesting, please, I think you guys need to comment down and need to like the video, share it with your friends, and feel free to tell us what you feel like. This is just for beginners, is not for production yet, but we can actually do more with you. So if you find this interesting, why don't I wish you a nice life? Make sure you share it with your friends, share it more with your friends, and share it more with your friends. I wish you a nice time. May God bless you. Love all. Thank you. Don't forget to come to OSP Digital Solution for a course. Come and learn. Stop joking. Come and learn. Thank you.